Welcome back to the XPRO Elementor add-on. So to build a consistent WooCommerce product layout in Elementor, XPRO Addon gives you many free dynamic WooCommerce widgets. In the last video, we set the WooCommerce product title widget by XPRO Addon, and today we'll focus on the WooCommerce product description widget. It automatically fetches the correct description for every product in your store and keeps your design the same across all the products. So let's see how to style it up. First, make sure to install and activate the XPRO Addon and XPRO Theme Builder plugin. Both are free. So in the XPRO Theme Builder, go to the page where you are designing your single product layout and drop in XPRO Addon WooCommerce Product Description widget. First, let's go to the Style tab. I will adjust the color of the description first, so it's clearly visible on the screen. Then, in the Typography, set your favorite font. It's best to keep this font similar to your product title to keep your brand design consistent. Adjust the size and pick a weight that makes your text easy to read. For the transform option, you can choose to make your text uppercase or lowercase, but for a description, I recommend keeping it as default so it's natural to read. Next is the decoration setting. Here you can add an underline or even a line through if your design needs it. I will set mine to default. It looks more clean. You can also style the text as italic if you want. Next, you have the links color. This is a great feature. If you have added a link while writing your product detail back in the WooCommerce, like I have added, you can style it here. You can give that link a specific color for its normal state and add a different color for the hover state to make it more interactive. So let's see, publish and preview, and there we go. Now let's go back to the Content tab. Under the type option, you can choose between two styles. Choose Excerpt if you only want to show a short summary or the short description. Choose Full Content if you want to display the entire product story on your page. I prefer using the Excerpt because it keeps the layout clean, and it also lets you decide how many words to show in your description, like 5, 2, 0, or anything. Finally, in alignment, you can choose whether you want your text to stay to the left, center, or right to match your layout. And that's it. It's simple, quick, and keeps your store looking professional. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will set up the WooCommerce product image widget by XPRO Addon.